guys, this is 𝗦𝗍𝗶 from Language Academy, and today I'm here to talk about a very important aspect of speaking section, which is pronunciation. In today's video, I'm going to discuss what is pronunciation and how do you make sure that you get that 90 in pronunciation. I have a few pointers that will definitely help you boost your pronunciation scores. Number 1 is avoid accents. You do not need to mimic the accents of the native speakers to get 90 in pronunciation. You can get that just by maintaining your own accent. Number 2 is clarity. This is probably the most important aspect of pronunciation. Clarity is the way that you speak. So make sure that you speak loudly and clearly so that the computer understands us. Number 3 is avoid mumbling. This goes hand in hand with clarity. Mumbling is when you speak within the mouth. Make sure that you open your mouth, you speak clearly and loudly. So you have to make sure that each sound that you produce is heard by the computer. Next is normal volume. Being loud is important, but being too loud can be dangerous. If you are too loud, then the microphones are really sensitive. Your voice might crack. If you are too soft, then the microphone might not catch your voice at all. So that's why it's very important for us to speak at a normal volume. Next is normal speed. We have to make sure that we don't speak too fast or too slow. If we speak too fast or we are rushing, then there are chances that our pronunciation is not going to be clear and the computer is not going to understand us. So it's very important for us to maintain our normal speed and speak calmly as we can. The last one is avoid intonation. Intonation is basically the rhythm and expression that you have in your voice. There are chances that if we intonate, then we are not stressing on the words exactly how the native speakers do. So to avoid that, we are going to avoid intonation. We will try to maintain a flatter pitch. Pronunciation is directly proportional to content score. If our pronunciation goes wrong, there are chances that the computer doesn't understand what we are saying at all. So our content score also goes down. And we all know that read aloud, repeat sentence, retell lecture, and answer short question gives you scores in your reading and listening. If your pronunciation goes wrong and your content is affected, then in turn your reading and your listening score is going down. So we have to make sure that that doesn't happen. Don't forget to get feedback from the trainers. You will understand where you're going wrong and how you have to work on your pronunciations so that your score is not affected. If you have any further questions, make sure that you contact us at Language Academy and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.
Now crack your PTE sitting at your home. Language Academy brings to you the smartest AI-powered practice portal, with instant scores and feedback for all the tasks. Along with the practice questions, access free sectional and full mock tests, and get instant scorecard with in-depth feedback and analysis. For more hidden secrets, tips, strategies, and proven templates, click the link below and subscribe to our video course today.